at the time 0.17 a.m.
Akamwao, Madame Nambazira wafunye obubiri, Madame Mbabazi wafunye omukaaga. Gula Madame Besangu ne Madame Mbabazi wafunye obubiri. Kyamanyansi, Madame Melele Gubisatu wafunye kalulu na kamu, Madame Gwaza wafunye kalulu kasembayo, Madame Melele Gubisa wafunye obululu nkaaga, Madame Gwaza tewafunye kalulu na kamu. Kinyansi, Madame Melele Gubisa wafunye obululu 313, Madame Gwaza wafunye obubiri, Madame Nambazira wafunye kamu, Madame Mbabazi wafunye Bisenyi, Madame Melele Gubisa wafunye obululu 2, Madame Gwaza wafunye obululu 3, Madame Nambazira wafunye obululu 27, Madame Mbabazi wafunye obululu 6. Kasalubi, Madame Melele
NRM flag bearer of Ssembabule district, woman member of parliament 2025.
Yasin Chironde,
It is our district all needs, and whatever you do. Naye bubadde bwagazi bwa NRM nga buli muntu ayagala pati.
Here we have 5 candidates. There were 5. We have 5 candidates. The first candidate is Mr. Kato Jacob, with 11 votes. With 11 votes, a percentage of 0.05. The second candidate is Kebykintu Joy, with 1,473 votes, percentage of 1.59%. We have the third candidate, Honorable Bwire Edmond, with 960 votes, percentage of 3.19%. We have a fourth candidate, Honorable Sechkubo Theodore, with 8,702 votes, with a percentage of 28.92%. We have the last candidate, Gen.Rwashande Emmanuel, with 15,358 votes, a percentage of 52.3%. So I hereby Katerega Guzman, he got 461 votes and a percentage of 1.78%. The second candidate is Mr. Wilberforce. Mr. Wilberforce with votes 9,448 with a percentage of 3.654%. We have the third candidate, no one other than our Honorable Minister, Anifa Bagiramana. Anifa, I am not a Muganda, please. My pronunciations will never be like yours. Thank you. Anifa Bagirana with 15,947 votes, 61.67%. So, I hereby declare Honorable Anifa Bagirana, who has polled the highest number of votes, 15,947, representing 61.67%, as duly elected NRM flag bearer for the constituency of Maogola West. I, Arayo Deborah, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM primaries, for the position of the woman member of Parliament Ssembabule district, I hereby declare the results as follows. Name of a candidate, Helen Mbabazi. Total votes polled, 8,357, with a percentage of 8.39%. Second candidate, we have Esther Chikwire Esther. Total votes polled 15,460 with a percentage of 15.5%. The third candidate, we have Honorable Mary Begumisa. Total votes polled 34,032 votes with a percentage of 3.17%. 31, sorry. We come to the last candidate. The fourth candidate is Honorable number 0, Florence. Votes polled is 41,733 with a percentage of 41.9%. So I therefore declare Honorable number 0, Florence, some of you have just seen now. Papa Commissioner, these candidates voted and went back home. They were not lingering around the polling station. Thank you so much. Because when you linger around the polling stations, you bring your supporters heat and they begin clashing. But for you, you voted and went back home. And I also want to report to the Commissioner, I participated majorly in the constituency of Gen.Rwashande and Gen.Rwashande, where everyone had tension saying what will happen today. I said I will go to that constituency particularly. I was there, the turn-up was okay. The turn-up was okay, people were so eager to vote, and except the materials delayed to reach in time. I want to thank my registrars. You endeavored to see that the materials were in the polling stations, even under rain. It rained heavily in around afternoon time. Around 1 o'clock to 2, rain was too much in the constituency of Lemuyaga. So please, I am so happy today that there was nothing like a war in Ssembabule, not even a beating, though there are those small fights between the voters.
Okay.
Film ya katani kamtani. To say NRM Remiaga, what they could do. 2. We implement the government program that have never been implemented in Remiaga. 3. To jemu okugabanya abantu mu mbeera zaabwe. Bonna bana Uganda, abantu ba movement, abantu ba Uganda, they all need services. Except we never got a more than President Museveni Karonanga Kangate Mukamba. We still have our solo candidate who is going to stand in the party and the president of this country in the next coming election. So please let us support President Yoweri Museveni and maintain the development of this country. Nenga sinaba bebaza nsaba munzikirize soke nebaza Katonda tebibadde byangu okusomoza kubadde kunene nnyo challenge zibadde nnyingi lumubanjerega kungusina na mitwalo 10 digwira abalonzi kabalagala naye ng'abalonzi b'e Ssembabule tebajjamu kabalagala bannaye Mukama yeebale munneebalizeeko Mukama era njagala kutwala omukisa guno okubeebaza mwenna bali wano mwenna bassebo ne bannyabo mbeebaza
bannamawugula kaunti abali wano zeddes byuma oswaldo flag bearer omupya wenaabe awugula nsanyuse nnyo okubanga tuyise ku process eno ey'obululu tibibadde byangu naye all is well that ends well. Tumaliriza olwaleero ate tutandike essuula empya nga twenyigira mu kalulu akaddako aka 2026. Neebaza abantu ba Mawogola County olw'okuba nti bansusuddemu olwaleero nga omuwanguzi.
Honorable Minister agenze ku mirimu emitongole wabweru kyabadde teyetegekedde naye ng'alaba kijja kugasa bonna Ssembabule kuba ye bw'aba akola takolera Mawogola West yokka akolera Ssembabule district ndowooza ebibala mubirabye amalwaliro mugalabye n'olwekyo bassebo ne bannyabo era abakakubidde mu ngalo mutegedde ekivaamu agamba akyaweereza naye byansabye okubategeeza bye bino nti omuntu bw'akuvuganya tabeera mulabewo. Waliwo abantu abeeyambisa ekigambo ekigamba nti politics is a dirty game era ne baagalira ddala ebeera dirty game eyo twagidibya. Omuntu bw'ovuganya naye tebuba bulabe gubanga mupiira bwe musamba akapiira ttiimu bbiri emu neewangula ginnewaayo ng'ate ekyabalina ttiimu endala gye banaavuganya baddamu ne balonda abawagizi mu ttiimu eno ne bagigattamu eri ne basobola ate okuwangula omulabe waabwe.
Okulwana ngasaba kukende kuviirewo ddala tutandike chapter empya njagala okubakakasa nti ffe nga office of the president tetugenda kwaniriza agenda kujja independent. Tetugenda kumwaniriza, tugenda kuwagira abo bokka bokka abayiseemu mu NRM. Era tujja kubawa obuwagizi bwaffe, ate nze bwe mbeera wano mubeere rest assured tuteeka okuwangula. Ndowooza abamu